Buenos días, buenas tardes, clase de Español Uno. Today we are looking at articles definite and indefinite. These are tiny little words that carry a lot of weight in Espanol. They also exist in English. So articles are little words that are hard to define, but they help us identify nouns. In Spanish, they also give us information about each noun's gender, that means masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural. Right now, we are only dealing with singular nouns, so you don't really need to worry all that much about plurals. Those will be coming soon. All right, first, a review of definite articles. As we saw in the video, definite articles all mean the. The singular definite articles are el and la. Definite articles refer to specific nouns. The cat, the house. Put the cat out of the house. We're talking about the cat that lives here. We're talking about the house that we are in, and I want it outside. All right, we're not talking about some random cat. I'm talking about the cat. All right. So these are definite articles. They refer to specific nouns. All right, so our first task here is to look at the following look at the following examples and highlight the definite article in each. La tarea es difícil. El profesor es paciente. Tengo mi computadora para la clase. También tengo el libro de español. So I'm going to choose different colors for masculine and feminine. La tarea es difícil. El profesor es paciente. Tengo mi computadora para la clase. Y luego también tengo el libro de español. So here's how the definite articles serve us. They tell us that we're referring to very specific things. La tarea es difícil. The homework is hard. Which homework? Probably some homework that we're working on. If you said, Señor, la tarea es difícil, I probably know what homework you're talking about. El profesor es paciente. Which teacher? Me. Tengo mi computadora para la clase. What class? Whatever class you're in. This class, la clase de español. También tengo el libro de español. You're not bringing some random book to Spanish class. You would have the Spanish book. So these are definite articles. They all mean the homework, the teacher, the class, the book, and they refer to specific nouns. If we move to indefinite articles, we see that they are similar but different in meaning. Un and una, the singular indefinite articles, mean a, an, or one. Same exercise here. Look at the following examples. Highlight the indefinite articles in each. Be careful. Some of these have definite and indefinite articles in them. Again, I'm going to choose different colors for masculine and feminine. This time, the indefinite article, El señor Pecos tiene un gato. Mr. Pecos has a cat. Now, in parentheses, el gato es gris. I can use the definite article el because I'm referring back to the cat that I just mentioned, the cat that Mr. Pecos has. El señor Pecos tiene un gato. How many cats? One cat. Hay una fiesta el viernes. There is a party on Friday. There's a party. How many parties? One party. Do we know a lot about it? No. Just that there is a party. Okay, I could go say the party is going to be fun, or the party is canceled due to COVID. But right now, we just know that there is a party, one party. Necesitas leer un libro. You need to read a book. Which book? It doesn't say. Just any book, a book. All right. Now, later on, I could say the book needs to be at least 100 pages, or the book needs to be a biography. But it doesn't say that here. It just says you need to read a book, any book. Y luego, number 4, and this is really where we're going. Mi madre es una persona simpática. What kind of person is mi madre? She's a nice person. All right. There's a little bit of word order that we're going to be playing with later on. You don't need to worry about that right now. We do that tomorrow. If we continue on, we'll see the last example is where we are going next. What kind of person or boy, girl, or student are you? The instructions. Read the following sentences. Choose un or una based on the person's gender. All right, so we have Alicia, Juan Carlos, el señor Petrus, Kimberly, y Pedro. Now, in each of these sentences, we are going to say what kind of student, what kind of boy, what kind of teacher, what kind of girl, what kind of student is each. So I give you the subject, I give you the verb ser for es. Alicia es, she is. Juan Carlos es, he is. El señor Pecas is, es. Kimberly es, Pedro es. We go to try and decide whether we're going to use un or una based on that person's gender. Alicia es una estudiante trabajadora. She is a hard-working student. Now, we notice that una matches Alicia's gender. Also, trabajadora, the adjective that we are modifying estudiante with, is also feminine to match gender. Juan Carlos is a boy. Es un chico talentoso. All right, so we've got two different, well, I guess I should say two different words. One is the noun, one is the adjective that modifies the noun. Es un chico talentoso. We can tell that Juan Carlos, he's a boy. He is a talented boy. Es un chico talentoso. El señor Pecus, on the other hand, es un profesor paciente. Now, paciente doesn't have gender, but we remember our Dora the Explorer rule. Profesor does, so we know that that is masculine. So we're going to choose the masculine indefinite article. What kind of teacher is he? He's a patient one. Es un profesor paciente. Kimberly es una chica. All right, we can see by that she is a girl. What kind of girl? Es una chica inteligente. Y finalmente, Pedro, like Alicia. We remember estudiante. It could be el estudiante. It could be la estudiante. All right. So that doesn't change, kind of like inteligente didn't change. But we can see at the end here, estudioso. We can see that Pedro is masculine. And he is a studious student. Es un, not una, es un estudiante estudioso. All right, so we're looking at different examples in this little construction here. Una estudiante trabajadora. What kind of student is Alicia? Again, hardworking. Juan Carlos. What kind of boy is he? He's a talented boy. Toca la guitarra, canta y baila. El señor Pecus es un profesor paciente. Also, masculine. Aquí, Kimberly es una chica inteligente. Y aquí Pedro es un estudiante estudioso. All right, so using indefinite articles can help us describe what kind of person we are, what kind of student, what kind of teacher, what kind of boy, or what kind of girl. And you are going to use this when creating tu poema Diamante. Now, this is just a draft. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through my draft. Yo soy yo. I am who I am. I am I. We see it's a diamante. The shape of this poem has some blanks here that you need to fill in. Nombre. Nombre es Miguel. Yo soy Miguel. En general, yo soy. All right. En general. What am I like in general? What is my defining characteristic? What is one thing that I really want to? Yo soy inteligente. I like to be known as someone who is intelligent, I guess. So I'm gonna pick a very general adjective that describes me. Now I can go to a couple different adjectives here that describe me. All right. Yo soy alto. Notice my ending, masculine. If you are a girl, you're going to have to adjust that. Yo soy alto. Yo soy trabajador. In masculine ending. Y talentoso. Yo soy un chico. Well, I guess not really being a boy anymore. Yo soy un. I'm going to use profesor, but you will use chico or chica. Or you could put estudiante in there. Yo soy un profesor paciente. Right, from the earlier example. A veces. Oh, what am I like sometimes? A veces soy reservado. Sometimes I'm shy. All right. Now, no soy. No soy ni. I love this because, you can define things by saying what they are, but we can also say what they are not. All right. No soy ni perezoso. I'm neither lazy nor, what else am I not? Bajo. All right. Again, even when I'm saying what I am not, I'm using masculine. And here's my indefinite article. So you want to make sure that that matches your gender, just like the noun that you use to define yourself. Para mí, profesor, all of your adjectives también need to match your gender. All right. So the new construction is right in the middle. So what are you like in general? What are you like? Yeah, hold on. Let me finish my sentence here. I'm recording. Soy alto, trabajador y talentoso. Yo soy un profesor paciente, making sure that those all match gender. A veces soy reservado. All right. So sometimes I am shy. No soy ni perezoso ni bajo. Yo soy yo.